pollutant removal and operation and maintenance for constructed wetland treating industrial wastewater. Plantation in constructed wetlands plays predominant role in removing pollutant. Their key factors identified are conversion of nutrients, converting to low loaded systems by taking nutrients, storing of oxygen in root and to release of organic carbon. Accumulation of organic matter and development in nutrient removal are promoted due to growth of plants in constructed wetlands and observed a significant removal of nitrogen treating wastewater. Constructed wetlands are monitored to be the admired alternative technologies rather than conventional type wastewater treatment, and the results treating various industrial effluents almost project the same operational trouble and their margins. From the experimentation, it was observed that 74% BOD removal is visualized. Economical consideration of constructed wetland for treating industrial wastewater. A comparative study on constructed wetland and a sequential batch reactor was performed based on the economic and environmental costs analysis from an industrial wastewater treatment unit. It was observed that the stormwater is also routed through the system, and the financial results points towards implementing constructed wetlands is between the savings. Meanwhile, implementing SBR leads to excessive wastage of multiple of capital amount. The life cycle assessment study insists on lower energy usage and material uptake that lead to lower eutrophication. Study on pre-treatment methods, planting on new vegetation, introducing different porous media and change in operational strategy are the research areas where future investigation is to focus on for potential innovative applications associated with constructed wetlands.